Hello folks, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace a non-removable laptop battery. In my case, the laptop is HP Pavilion. The battery on this device lasts for about an hour, hour and a half, depending on the usage. And the main reason for replacing the battery is not its life. It's this little bulge over here. I'm not sure if you can see that on the camera, but this part here is a little bit higher than the rest of the keyboard, meaning that most likely the lithium-ion battery beneath it has swollen. Those batteries can be quite dangerous, having the tendency to catch fire or even explode, and you really does not want such event to happen when you have your laptop on your lap or beneath your hands. So today I'm going to show you how to replace such batteries. It's a quite easy procedure. We'll have to remove several screws on the bottom part of the laptop, then remove the plastic cover and change the battery. So let's proceed. We'll have to keep the screws and pay attention not to lose them. After removing the screws, it comes the tricky part. You have to open the laptop, and now with some sort of plastic scraper, or there are such specialized tools on the market, you have to detach the upper part from, let me see, you have to pay attention not to break anything. As you can see, it's quite easy procedure. So let's turn it upside down again. And here goes the cover. Now you can clearly see the battery and its 3 cells, and how this one particularly it's quite bulgy. This one is maybe the flattest, but those two are definitely for a change, but you cannot change the battery cells alone. You have to change the whole battery. Now I will show you how a brand new lithium-ion battery should look like. You can clearly see the difference. How flat is this one, and the shape of the original. This is a original HP rechargeable battery. It's manufactured this year, 2020, January. The change from now on, it's pretty easy. You have several screws holding the battery to the chassis, and one cable connector that you have to remove. Again, pay attention not to lose any screw. Here you have one cable connector that you have to detach very carefully. And I believe that now it should come off. And here we go. So let's remove the screws not to lose them. Unfortunately, right now I do not have such small magnetic screwdriver, which would make my work quite easy. New battery, old battery. Its condition is terrible. Let me remove the battery connector. And place it on the new one. So from now on, the procedure is basically the same. You have to attach the connector, screw the battery down, place the back cover on, again screws, and the laptop will be as good as new. And that's it, guys. The laptop fully assembled, the battery is charging. Again, the bad swollen battery, you can see how bulgy it is, and this is, like I said, quite dangerous. It even may explode or catch fire. That's it. Bye for now.